अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम मिलर एंड हार्ले ज़ूलॉजी का चैप्टर द केमिकल बेसिस ऑफ एनिमल लाइफ के MCQs देखेंगे। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वुड बी क्लासिफाइड एज ए मोनोसेक्राइड? ऑप्शन ए सेलुलोज, बी ग्लूकोज, सी माल्टोज, डी ग्लाइकोजन। So monosaccharide is glucose. Option B. Which of the following is an important storage compound for sugar in animals? Option A cellulose, B starch, C glycogen, D sucrose. Important storage compound for sugar in animals is glycogen. Option C. Which of the following is not true about lipids? Option A. They are not soluble in water. They may be neutral fats. Phospholipids are steroids. They are soluble in organic solvent. All of above are correct. So lipids के बारे में ये तीनों ऑप्शन ठीक हैं. ऑप्शन डी इज correct. Amino acids are linked together to form long chain polymers by which kind of bond? Option A ionic bond, B hydrogen bond, C peptide bond, D carbon to carbon covalent bond. So amino acids के दरमियान में कौन सा बॉन्ड होता है? पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. ऑप्शन सी. द टर्शियरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन्स मे बी स्टेबलाइज्ड बाय द प्रेजेंस ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? ऑप्शन ए डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड्स बिटवीन टू सल्फर एटम्स. ऑप्शन बी आयोनिक बॉन्ड्स. ऑप्शन सी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स. ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ अबव आर करेक्ट. So in tertiary structure we can remember them by the keyword hid. HID hid. H से हो गया हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, I से आयोनिक बॉन्डिंग, D से डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्डिंग. सो टर्शियरी स्ट्रक्चर में ये तीनों बॉन्डिंग होती हैं. Haldane and Oparin proposed that Earth's primitive atmosphere consisted of simple compounds such as water, carbon dioxide, molecular hydrogen, methane and ammonia. One gas, however, was not likely present. This gas was option A sulfur, B oxygen, C nitrogen, D chlorine. So it's oxygen. The next one is there are several other requirements for the synthesis of life from prebiotic organic compounds. Option A formation of organic polymers in a concentrated form, condition for concentration of organic molecules, thermal condensation reactions without the aid of enzymes. All of the above were likely necessary for the evolution of life from the prebiotic organic compounds. So, option D is correct. Which of the following is not a property of water? High specific heat, high heat of vaporization, unique density behavior, greatest density at 0 degree centigrade. So इसकी ग्रेटेस्ट डेंसिटी जो है वो 3.98 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड या 4 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे होती है. ऑप्शन डी इज इनकरेक्ट अबाउट वाटर. The fossil record reveals that life existed by 3.8 billion years ago, suggested that early life forms likely arose nearly. Option A 4 billion years ago, B 5 billion years ago, C 6 billion years ago, D 10 billion years ago. So it's actually option A. Which of the following is false? Only protein can act as enzymes. Option B is catalytic RNA can mediate processing of messenger RNA and also catalyze the formation of peptide bonds. Option C. The earliest enzymes could have been RNA. Option D. The evolution of life may have been dominated by RNA at one point. So false इसमें जो है वो option A है because RNA can also act as enzymes. Organisms that can synthesize their food from inorganic sources using light or another source of energy are called option A heterotrophs, B primary heterotrophs, C autotrophs, D oxidative autotrophs. So it's actually autotrophs. Option C is correct. Gradually oxygen produced by dash accumulated in the atmosphere. When atmosphere oxygen reaches about 1% of its current level, dash began to accumulate and to absorb ultraviolet radiations. ध्यान से देखना है. ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय, पहले इसका ऑप्शन देखें, ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोरिलेशन, फोटोसेंसिस, 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 नेक्स्ट थ्री ऑप्शंस में। अब हमने सेकंड का देखना है, डैश बिगेन टू अकामुलेट एंड टू ऑब्जॉर्ब अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशंस, कौन ऑब्जॉर्ब करता है अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन? ओजोन। सो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। For two bodies of matter in contact, heat always flows from option A, body with greater heat to the one with less heat, the body of high temperature to the one of the lower temperature, the denser to less dense body, the body with more water to the one with less water. So it's actually option A, body with greater heat to the one with less heat. The bonds that are broken when water vaporizes are ionic bonding, bonds between water molecules, bonds between atoms of individual water molecules, polar covalent bonds. The bonds that are broken when water vaporizes are bonds between water molecules. Option B. Which of the following is an example of a hydrophobic material? Option A, paper, B, table salt, C, wax, D, sugar. So it's C, wax. We can be sure that a mole of table sugar and the mole of vitamin C are equal in their option A, weight in daltons, option B, weight in grams, option C, number of molecules, option D, number of atoms. So we can be sure that a mole of table sugar and a mole of vitamin C are equal in their number of molecules. How many grams of, इसको तो हम skip ही करते हैं, next पे चलते हैं. Organic chemistry is currently defined as the study of compounds that can be made only by living cells. Option B, the study of carbon compounds. Option C, the study of vital forces. Option D, the study of natural compounds. So, organic chemistry is actually the study of carbon compounds. Choose the pair of terms that complete the sentence. Hydroxyl is to dash as dash is to aldehyde. Hydroxyl is to alcohol as dash is to aldehyde. Carbonyl is to aldehyde. Option C. Which of these hydrocarbons has a double bond in carbon skeleton? C3H8, C2H8, CH4, C2H4. So it's option B. The gasoline consumed by an automobile is a fossil fuel consisting mostly of option A, aldehydes, B, amino acids, C, alcohols, D, hydrocarbons. So the gasoline is actually composed of alcohols. Which functional group is most responsible for some organic molecules behaving as a base? Option A, hydroxyl, option B, carbonyl, option C, carboxyl, option D, amino. So it's actually hydroxyl. Option A. Which of the following terms include all others in the list? Option A, monosaccharide, B, disaccharide, C, starch, D, carbohydrates. So it's option D, carbohydrates. The molecular formula for glucose is C6H12O6. What would be the molecular formula for polymer made by linking 10 glucose molecules together by condensation reactions? Option A, C60H120O60, C6H12O6, C60H102O51, C60H100O50. So it's option C. There are two ring forms of glucose because the two forms are made from two structural isomers of glucose. Option B. They arise from different linear formulas for glucose. Option C. To form the rings. Option D. To one of two possible positions. So it's actually option D. Choose the pair of terms that complete this sentence. Nucleotides are dash to dash as dash are to proteins. Nucleotides are to nucleic acids as amino acids to protein. Option A is correct. Which of the following statement concerning unsaturated fats is correct? Unsaturated fats कौन से होते हैं? जो ऑयल होते हैं रूम टेम्परेचर पे. They are more common in animals than in plants. Option B. They have double bonds in carbon chains. Option C. They generally solidify at room temperature. Option D, they contain more hydrogen than saturated fats having the same number. So it's actually option B. They have double bonds in their carbon chains.